So let's start the tutorial for making Kid Vegeta. We will start with drawing its hairs first, and for the hairs I'm using a Stedler 4B pencil and a 230 GSM paper. So it's very simple. So in this video you just have to follow the step that I am doing, and I am taking little pause also, so you can have the enough time to draw with me. So in the end it will take only 4 minutes. If you just want to draw with me, you have to do it on the same speed, but if you want just to enjoy the video, you have to make it to the 2 times higher speed and you will enjoy it. By now we have completed its hair part. Now we will move to the face part, but before that we are going to draw the device that they use to assess the power levels in Dragon Ball Z. If you are a Dragon Ball Z fan, you must be knowing it. So let's draw that first. So many of you might be seeing the little lines underneath, but these are the lines that I have drawn. I have practiced it before making it to the video. So these are those lines, and here I am using a 2B pencil with a 0.3 mm grit. Just a basic tip who are to all those people who are drawing it the first time, just draw it with the light pencil initially, and that you then afterward that use a high scale pencil, that darker one, so it will be a less effort activity. So by now we have completed face, eyes and the other things. Now we will use a lighter version of the pencil and blend its hair to make it more attractive. So one more thing, that try to add as much as detail that you can add, because adding the details, not only they will make your drawings look very bright, but they will also enhance its beauty also. So now we will draw it the hand, as you see in the left corner, the image that I am using for the reference. So initially I am also using a lighter pencil, and then I am using a darker one. So here I have drawn the hand also. Now I will be using a darker pencil, and don't ever try to hesitate using eraser, because eraser will definitely help you to make your drawings look more better. This is the first time I'm doing the voiceover, so pardon me. I hope my drawing is not bad as my voiceover is. I hope you will find this video helpful, and in future also please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to draw more things, if you please add the things in the comment section, and I will provide you the tutorials. And also you can put the image that I want to draw this, break it into the small pieces, and I'll bring the tutorials. So that's all from my side, and I hope you'll enjoy my video.